Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video, we will learn how to connect Amazon affiliate links to your Linktree page step by step. It's the perfect setup if you are a creator, influencer, blogger, or just getting started with affiliate marketing. Want to earn passive income from your Instagram or TikTok bio? Today I'll show you exactly how to add Amazon affiliate links to your Linktree and start making commissions every time someone clicks and purchases. So first of all, we need to go to the Amazon affiliate program. So for that, we need to type Amazon associates account. Associates account. Here it already is seeing me, so I'll go for that associate account. So you can say amazon.com associates central. We'll click on that and it will take us to this interface and we'll just sign in. And if after coming to the sign in page, you need to sign in using your email or mobile phone number. After giving your email or mobile phone number, click continue and then it will take you to the Amazon website and you can choose any products from here, whatever you want to do the affiliate for. So let's say we'll just target a product like headphones and we'll just target this JBL Tune 510 BT headphone. So you will just copy this headphone link from here and just copy the product link from Amazon. So after copying the product link, you will have to go to the Linktree website. So before going to Linktree website, uh, I just need to share some information with you that what will you be needing to jump in. So before jumping in, you need to have an Amazon Associates account, a Linktree account, free or pro, at least one product you want to recommend, a short description or title for each link. And Amazon affiliate program pays you every time someone buys through your unique link, and Linktree is the easiest way to organize multiple links in one simple bio page. The combo is ideal if you are promoting product reviews, top 5 tech gadgets, beauty essentials, camera gear, book list, or creator tools. Even better, Linktree works on all social platforms: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter. So now let's get on to the Linktree account. So for that, we need to go to the Linktree website. Let's type Linktree, and it's already showing me link in bio tool and all. Okay, it's taking some time to load. Just load. Okay, as you can see, it's already loaded, and now you just need to add your product, like add new link. You have to before go to my shop and edit and add your product, add options and product, my products. No, okay, let me paste the link I have. Okay, here you can see it already took the product link, so just plus icon and view in shop. It already viewing me in the shop. So after linking it to my shop, so here you can see the product is already added to my products. So you can see my products. Yes, now you can just uh, apple share, it's not apple share, you can just copy this product URL link, just like share this product JPL 510 BT and all, share on socials. You can also share on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, WhatsApp, Blue Sky, Pinterest, or wherever you want to share it. You can also copy this on and then share anywhere. Just like I'm sharing it on Google, you can also share it on Instagram, TikTok Shop, WhatsApp, or you can also send your repeating customers inbox, or you can send it on an email. And up to you, you now have to just market your product and promote your this LinkedIn, your Linktree URL, and whenever you get a sell, you will get your commission. So you can also track your clicks and performances by going in LinkedIn dashboard on the analytics page, and you can also see your progress like the views, clicks, and clicking rate, and subscriber, and see clicks per link, top performing links, and audience data in Amazon FBA dashboard reports. You can also see your product. Let me also give you some bonus tip to customize your Linktree page. So first of all, you need to go to the appearance tab, choose a theme that fits your brand, add a profile pic or logo, change button styles and fonts, rearrange links by dragging them. Keep Amazon links at the top of best visibility. So let me give you some more tips to promote your Linktree page. Add your Linktree URL to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or blog bio. You can just copy here from here and paste it to your Instagram, TikTok, or any social media platform. Bio. Mention in captions, link in bio for my full gear list. Grab it here, link in bio. Use Instagram stories with the link sticker to send traffic. In YouTube descriptions, you can also add all my recommended products, your link to URL, and all. And let me give you some bonus tips also. You can test different titles like my must-have tools or best budget picks to see get what gets more clicks. And I'm now sharing some important affiliate disclaimers, like add a disclaimer on your Linktree or social bio, like as Amazon associate I earn from qualifying purchases. Don't shorten affiliate links with external services like bit.ly or anything else. Don't share raw affiliate links in social captions. Always use Linktree or direct blog or YouTube context. So today you learned how to grab your Amazon affiliate links, add them to Linktree, customize your landing page, and promote it like a pro to start earning commissions. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more affiliate marketing and content monetization tips. Got questions about Amazon links, Linktree Pro, or getting more clicks? Drop them in the comments. I will reply to everyone. This is for now. See you next time.